Hi, my name's Robert. I work at Monkey Pod Games. I'm here in the studio to show you how to solve the Diamond Cube. You may have purchased it individually or in one of our sets. Now, you want to look around the cube. You'll notice that you see every side has a duplicate. So you want to find the two sides that have 4 squares and 2 rectangles. You grab the rectangles on both sides and give it a pull. And you'll see that one side is going to open up and release the pieces. The next thing you want to do is, if you look at the cube this way, you're going to pull this one square by itself right out. And if you turn the cube, you'll see that it has the two squares by itself. You can just push them all the way through. So it's going to look like that. Then you're going to pull these two out at the same time. At this point, you can pretty much just, let it fall. If you just maneuver it around, it'll break apart in your hands. So what I like to do when I'm putting it back together is just organize stuff. And I take each piece that has a partner that looks just like it, and I set them up next to each other. Now that we've organized all our pieces in relation to similarity, we're going to take our 2 main pieces and our 2 sidebar pieces, which look like this, and we place one in each main piece. Then our 2 main pieces with the sidebar still included, they're going to go right on top of the other one. So it's going to look like this. Now what we want to do is grab these 2, and with the gap piece facing me, with the gap side, insert into both sides of the diamond cube. So it's going to look like this. You'll notice that the gap is bigger on my side. Now we're going to push our slide bar all the way to the end. We're going to take one of these, place it inside. We're going to take this piece, and with the smaller notch facing towards us, we're going to place it inside the same place. We're going to let it rest there. Alright, we're going to take one of these guys. This is how it looks. It's going to go into this side where the opening is. You want to make sure that the connecting bar here is facing away from us and into the piece. So it goes in just like that. Now we can use the pieces that are already inside the puzzle to push the slide bar in and lock the whole puzzle into place, leaving only the inner gap facing us open. So our next step is to add this piece and pull it all the way out. With the 2 remaining pieces, we're going to connect these together and form a capital T. It's going to look like this. Make sure that the notches are facing up like this, so there's kind of the little gap there. And now we just take it, slide it in, and our diamond cube is finished.